ready to unlock the power of your crypto and access instant liquidity. Today, we're diving deep into Aave, the decentralized lending platform, to show you exactly how to borrow crypto against your existing assets. First, make sure you have a Web3 wallet like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Ledger Live installed and funded with some crypto you're willing to use as collateral. Navigate to the official Aave website, always double-checking the URL to avoid phishing scams. Connect your wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. Once connected, browse the available assets on the Aave dashboard. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies with their respective APY for depositing and borrowing rates to deposit collateral. Select the asset you want to use. For example, let's say you want to deposit ETH. Click on the ETH tile. Then click the Deposit tab. Enter the amount of ETH you want to deposit as collateral. Remember, the amount of crypto you can borrow depends on the collateral factor of the asset you deposit, and liquidation risks. Aave will display an estimated borrowing power based on the collateral you are depositing now. Click the Deposit button. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Pay attention to the gas fees. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your ETH is now deposited as collateral on Aave. Next, choose the crypto you want to borrow. Click on the Borrow tab. Select the cryptocurrency you want to borrow and enter the amount. Keep a close eye on your health factor. The health factor indicates the safety of your position and how close you are to liquidation. Choose between variable and stable interest rates. Variable rates fluctuate with market conditions, while stable rates offer more predictability but can readjust. Click the Borrow button. Confirm the transaction in your wallet, and you're done. You have successfully borrowed crypto on Aave. Remember to actively manage your positions, monitor your health factor, and understand the risks involved in DeFi lending. Aave is a powerful tool, but responsible usage is key.